Mary, I need your help. The client wants to use blockchain. I don't know how to explain it to them.
Okay, what do they already know?
Nothing. They just heard the word and think it solves all their problems.
Classic. Let me try. Imagine a notebook. Every page has information. Many people have the same notebook.
That's it?
Not yet. If someone changes one page, everyone sees it, and no one can delete it.
Oh, so it's a shared record. No one controls it alone.
Exactly. And that's why it's safe.
But our client wants to use it to track product deliveries. Is that a good idea?
It depends. Blockchain is great for trust between many parties, but if it's just internal, a normal database is faster and cheaper.
So blockchain is not always the answer.
Right. It's a tool, not magic.
Perfect. Now I can talk to the client without looking lost.
Just don't call it a digital notebook in the meeting.
No promises.